Hello, let me show you my chili. We got chilies here. Yeah, where? Here is the mochos. And here is the shrimp. Yes, today we are going to cook with all this stuff: malt sauce, onions, ginger, garlic, and wild pepper. We are going to cook all this together in a hot oil. First of all, we are going to fry duck egg. And I'm gonna show you how to fry duck egg with steam. I'm gonna show you, okay, how I steam my duck egg. Let's start. Okay, now let's add tea and close the lid and open the lid. That's it. This is how we steam our sunny side up, upside down. Okay, now let's start cooking the onion, garlic, ginger, white pepper, and king chili, green chilies, and all. And after that, we are going to add the kaikuang. We are going to add it, let it brown, and then it's time to add the turmeric powder, and let's add salt again. It's become brown now. Let's add the shrimp. This is the kaikuangs. Okay, now let's mix it. Fast and furious style. We are taking fast and furious style for mixing up. Okay. It started red. Smells so good. I want to eat now. My mouth is watering. The smells is so good. I can't control my saliva. Anyway, let's see closer. Wow. Good. Smells so good. Okay. Now let's make chutney. Zongta chutneys. Garlic. What garlic is? Zongta with king chili and ngari. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm follow Baite, and today we are going to have shrimp, kaikuangs, and this is the zongta, and duck egg. Sunny upside down. What do you care? They call it sunny upside down or like that. And we got here and prito aloo, just a boil. Then we got metomo, so cucumber. Mini put product easy so to tung tapan pan very okay. And we got some clear wine. Okay, let's pray. Amen. I'm so excited and I'm so hungry. This is going to hit it again. Let's start with this. Ting tang mi. ting tagay to niya ting tang mess, the ting tang mess. Ay, king chili le kani. Forgot to something. This is so good. Đổ cái đó lên ba. This kaikuang mustard is kakadangsun. Kaikuang mustard is very bad. Kakadangsun sa bang. Okay. I love bukangs. Bukangs are bad. This is so sweet. My rice also gone. My lipstick also almost gone. Thanks for watching. Bye. Vì đang cho mấy mấy qua. Lipstick cái này mua nè.